Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February the 19th of 2020, and I'm starting my cold season stuff out in the greenhouse. I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, and I'm starting my cauliflower snow crown, broccoli smart snack hybrid, broccoli calabrese, green sprouting, that's an heirloom. I'm going to be doing the Brunswick cabbage, the red acre cabbage, and the premium late flat Dutch cabbage. And I'm also going to be doing the Brussels sprouts Catskills. So I already have my seed starting mix mixed up here. I'm using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. I do have videos on my channel for how I mix my seed starting mix. And I'll have links down in the descriptions for the little tags that I use. So these are my cauliflower seeds here. Now, your cauliflower seeds, broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, all the seeds look alike. And you want to put these down about 1/4 of an inch deep. So, oops. I'll pick these out right here. There we go. And you want to do one per cell. And I gotta find the one I dropped. Okay, so I found my seeds there. Now here's another one here. And here's my last one here. Normally I have a little tray that I put my seeds on, but forgot to bring it out. So you can see little seeds here. I'm just taking the back of my nail and I'm pressing the seeds into the soil surface, and I'm just going to gently cover them with about 1/4 inch covering of my seed starting mix here. So when these start coming up and germinating for me, I'll come back with, and I'll show them to you. Now these take about 7 to 14 days to sprout. That's the same for your broccoli, your cabbage, and your Brussels sprouts. About 7 to 14 days. And I'm going to keep monitoring these, making sure that they're not drying out. We already have some on some shelves over here, and I'm going to be moving these to another shelf in the greenhouse so that they germinate for me. So we'll be back. So today is February the 28th of 2020, and I wanted to show you here that the cold season stuff is starting to come up. Now these are over a little bit. Last night we had the greenhouse, the wind ripped the door open on the greenhouse, and when we woke up in the morning it was down to 36 degrees in the greenhouse. So these are out front, and I'm hoping that these will perk back up. But I have more cold season vegetables that are coming up, so I'll show them to you here real quick in a moment. And here's some more cold season vegetables here. So I wanted to show you that these did start coming up for me here. And these are still germinating. Some are just taking a little bit longer than others. But when these start getting their true leaves, I will start feeding them with Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. I'll use 1/4 teaspoon of Miracle-Gro to 1 gallon of water. And I'll feed them once a week with that solution so that they develop a nice root system on them. And you never want to feed a dry plant because you can risk burning the root systems on them. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you I'll put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!